all empty plastic containers and extra broken pots I had planted this Malabar spinach or puঁই শাক. It grows very nicely and it's very tasty as a Bengali cuisine. So it's very easy to grow. So whatever puঁই শাক we got from market, the roots we have cut and planted in soil, and from the roots we keep a little bit stem, and from that stem the more branches will grow, and after that it will grow by itself and will bear flowers and fruits in the winter. So those fruits are black color we keep, and from those seeds we have again grown. These are young seedlings coming up from the seeds, and it has grown a little overcrowded. We had cut this portion and it will give more and more branches. Keep on growing. So here are more plants growing of this Malabar spinach, and we had cut and eaten from here, and don't uproot it. It will give more and more branches. So these are nice fleshy leaves of Malabar spinach. You can grow it at your home also. For example, some other plant pot, you can put some seeds and it will grow alongside with your plant. And after it grows a little bit, you can cut and eat it. So here I will show you how to propagate this puঁই or Malabar spinach. So for example, you have bought this from market, and the lower part with these roots and little bit of stem, you can up to this, or maybe keeping one node. Here is one node, you cut it here and you eat this portion and top portion, and this lower portion just plant in soil, any kind of soil up to here. For example, you bury, and from here new leaves and branches will come soon. It is so simple to propagate. For example, I will plant it here. So just dig a hole and put this root inside and just cover up with soil. So after some days, young branches will emerge from this stem and it will grow up into a new plant. So here is one seedling coming up. This is a pumpkin seedling. So when you buy a pumpkin from market, keep the seeds, a ripe pumpkin of course. Those seeds you can plant simply in soil and it will grow into plants. So these are young pumpkin plants. You can grow these plants into some other flower pot where there is another plant, and it will grow together with your plant. So these young stems and leaves are edible, and you can enjoy this at your home. It will grow along with this plant. For example, this is a bougainvillea plant, and some of these edible plants, vegetable plants, are growing with it in the same pot. So this pumpkin which you buy from the market, just keep the seeds like this, and no need to do anything, no need to soak or anything, just put them in soil and it will grow into young plants. So just I am taking these seeds and putting in some empty space, of some flower pot. So this will grow alongside. It will grow like this. seedling of the pumpkin plant. After it grows up to a 1 foot or 2 foot height, you can simply cut and use it as a vegetable. No need to wait for pumpkin fruits. So this is a curry leaf plant. Curry leaf. Which is used in sambar and South Indian dishes. So here you can see some fruits are coming. So these fruits, black colored fruits, you simply pluck it from your plant and you put it in the soil like this, and it will grow into a new seedling. For example, here is another seedling coming. This is my original mother plant. So 3 plants have come up by themselves from these fallen fruits. So it is very easy to cultivate at home.